Hi,
Hi, I'm Marco from iDoc. If the back cover of your mobile phone is heavily scratched or broken, I'll show you in this video how you can replace it by yourself.
Die
The
Reparatur
repair is slightly difficult because the back cover is strongly glued. You should plan about 30 to 60 minutes. You will need the following tools for this repair.
Das
You can find the spare part in our store. The links can be found in the info box below.
Auf unserer Internetseite
You'll also find these instructions on our website with detailed photos and descriptions for each step. And now have fun with the repair. The back cover is strongly glued to the frame. The easiest way to remove the rear glass is with a flat and flexible tool like the iPlastix or the iFlex. A suction cup can help you lift the glass. You'll also need several picks to gradually release the glue. Heat the device evenly with hot air to loosen the glue better. A temperature of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius should be sufficient. The device should still be touchable without being unpleasantly hot. Heat the spot where you want to start and place the suction cup on the rear glass. Pull the suction cup while pressing the frame down. Then insert your tool between the rear glass and the frame and slide your tool along the edge. The iPlastix has the advantage that it is made of plastic and does not scratch the frame, but it is very soft and difficult to insert. Please be very careful, the rear glass can break very easily. If the glass splinters too much, you can cover it with a piece of tape. If necessary, try several times and warm up again and again. It can take a bit of time to loosen the rear glass. Be patient and work carefully to avoid breaking anything. Once the tool is inserted, place a plectrum in the gap to keep it open. Then slide the tool around the entire edge to gradually loosen the glue. Then heat up the next spot you are working on and insert one plectrum after another. In the upper part, the back cover is glued very strongly. Heat it up again several times and proceed slowly and carefully. Be careful not to push too far into the device and to damage any internal components. If the glue is loosened everywhere, you can lift and remove the back cover. Your new back cover may already have new adhesive surfaces. It is, however, also possible that back cover and glue are delivered separately. Remove all glue left on the middle frame. If your back cover already has glue, peel off all foils above the glued surfaces. Then grab your new adhesive frame and orient yourself at the opening of the cameras to position it correctly. Peel off the white protective foil and position the adhesive frame on the top edge and let it slide slowly into the device. Make sure it sits straight and doesn't protrude beyond the frame. Press the adhesive firmly to the edge. For this you can use a spudger. Remove the second foil and check if the black glue is flush everywhere. Then put the back cover back in its original position. Press the back cover down so the glue bonds. In addition, you can heat the device with hot air and clamp it or weigh it down with a few books to make the glue stick even better. The repair is now finished and I hope you really enjoyed it. Questions, suggestions and hints can be posted in the comments below. We are happy to help you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.